of your light, nigga, hand me the mic, and I swiftly enlighten your third eye sight. Finna blow dynamite, watch him go and take flights. Indigos blowing nose at supernatural heights. We famous overnight, fuck fame, this is the heights. Hear the feast, souls, beast coast, living Christ bow down. The motherfucking gods in town for light. 23 strands to fade away from J's like Mike.
Hold up, you don't do drugs, I smoke, motherfucker, I lean, dog. 5 hits, little nigga, yeah, I trip, huh? Beast coast out here, nigga, raise the bar. On the block, rolling up with the 10 slow. Breaking up another pan of the endo. Roll a motherfucking switches, though we hit slow. If you ain't with the light, my nigga, get low.
My nigga get low, Peter signs brown, nigga get mo. But it's out time, get in line, or just hit the dough. Go so, protect the nigga like a...
What's up, beautiful nature family? Today we're just gonna enjoy the moment in a swim because we've been blessed with the sun. And I just want to remind you guys that the present moment is all there is and ever will be. The rest is just your imagination in your head. And you can always lean back to the guidance of the present moment, because in the present moment you're always divinely guided. Whoa, 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 let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna bring you guys while I jump in the cold water and I swim with one hand. Maybe this is a bad idea, but there's no such thing as good and bad, so we're just gonna let the moment take us where we go. Oh, this is a cold motherfucker. Woo. Oh. Just breathe, family. You can always let go and just be here now, because that's all there is. There is no you, no independent self. It's just one moment of the whole universe moving at the same time. The wind, the water moving, the you, the ants, the birds moving with the Tao. I'm gonna swim back with one hand. Because anything is possible, motherfuckers. I swam with one hand. That was a mission. Woo.
Yeah. Let's go in the sun.
Whoa.
We did it! Woo! Yoo-hoo.
Get out of your comfort zone.
Shake a little bit. Shake, shake.
Shake, shake.
Shake, shake.
Shake.
Get out in the sun.
Move your body.
Breathe in that good ass prana, baby.
Take care of your temple, God's temple. Be grateful for life. The more you're grateful, the more things you'll get to be grateful for. Swimming with one hand was an enjoyable challenge. Challenge yourselves, get out of your mind, follow the now, and you'll see miracles happen. I love you all. Peace out. Be here.